Hey guys! Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Hamstaco's here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Roblox again with Cameron! Someone's about to kill me. You froze me, you suck!
I didn't mean to. I was trying to kill that other guy.
Yeah, and today we're playing a lucky block thing. Yeah. So let's do Sting. More Roblox for today. Like last time we played the Island Royale, which that was pretty fun. What is this thing? Ooh, would you look at this thing? Oh, it's a rocket launcher.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, I run so fast with this.
Great channel. Now can I get in?
That's Anthony.
That's the thing that turns into like 4 others.
Cameron, I can do the same thing with this thing. You know the thing where you can spin around into a ball of fire?
Can you do that other thing?
I don't know.
Does anybody know my phone number?
Look behind you! Look right there. You saw me? Do it? Okay, I think I can do... No, I can't. Dang it, I can't do that. Come on. Don't let him get close. He's got the ring fire.
I know. You don't get close. You're telling me not to when you
I should use my... I can't... It's really hard to use that. Yeah. I got these things. Yeah. Let's do this thing.
This guy is like getting really close.
I'm ready. Ooh. Are you ready?
Why?
Okay, it's not letting me do that.
I used too much of
Ice Dragon Slaying Sword.
You can use Logan.
Cameron.
Logan, what's your phone number?
Can't tell you.
Logan, what's your phone number?
Can't tell you. Classified information. Cameron, look out!
Well,
Good job. Bro, look behind you. Look what this sword is. Is it like a... It's a machine gun.
Oh yeah, I got that. It's like, it shoots multiple bullets per shot.
It has really fast reload.
Excuse me. Boom.
Come on. It's not... It has to reload. And he has to be dead.
He's not dead.
Yeah. Ah! Fell off. I got a dragon too.
Totally yelled like a girl.
No, you're a girl. I heard you. I got the ice sword again. This ice sword. Wait, does that freeze people? Like the, you know what I mean?
I don't know. I haven't seen it.
what should I put as my...
Stand back, Cameron.
I got
Nice.
What?
Nice.
I didn't know this could kill them.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, it can. It's pretty cool. Oh no!
Oh
No!
no.
Help! I'm stuck in here.
I'm stuck in it.
No! Crazy kid got me. I'm stuck. Die! I died. Frick.
Okay, I'll get him.
Shoot.
I missed. Sorry
Good job.
about
Good
that.
job. Got him. Good job. I like that gun. That gun's pretty cool.
Hello.
What's this sword? What sword? Ooh, the globe. Oh, it's this one. I like this. This one's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's my planet. Orbiting him.
No, that's his planet.
Is it?
Yeah.
He
That's
just-
what he's killing us with.
I have my own planet too. It's this thing.
Oh.
That's why I thought maybe he might have had it.
That's cool.
I like this bow and arrow. Is that you? Yeah, that's you. Ow, it's someone behind me. Why am I taking damage? Got it.
No.
Ow! I got shot by an arrow! Got him.
Do not want anyone to see my face. Boom.
You didn't get me teleported. And this is my base too.
Right now, Logan and his friend Cameron. I'm not gonna show his face because you don't want me to show.
Yeah, Anthony's doing a video over there. My channel's better than his.
I have 10 subscribers.
I have 29. Oh my gosh, Cameron, this is pretty cool. I like this one. I got nunchucks. Yeah, nunchucks. He's dead. He dead from my Falcon. Hi, Falcon, my boy.
I'm about to get this guy in like midair or something.
Oh, I see. I'm coming. Coming over there. Now I can use this to do this super speed thing.
Why?
Woo!
He was like, no, and I killed him in his face.
I love that. That's so cool.
There's a bird above us.
That's mine.
What's killing me?
It's. I'm sorry. I can't turn it off. You just gotta shoot it. Just shooting it. Ah, I'm on fire.
I'm supposed to hit that.
You know on tablet it's like PC. You play Minecraft?
You need to, Cameron. Can you like help me? Like, I can't.
Kill your bird. You just set me on fire. I'm running so fast the fire can't catch me.
I keep on hitting my thing.
There's a guy up there. Gotta shoot him. Get him down. Get him down. Cameron. Oh, I think I got him right. Did I get him? Where's he at?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Did he turn invisible?
It's your boy Andrew
Yeah, he's up there.
back with another video. So today I'm gonna be playing Minecraft again.
That's the one. Let me fix my microphone. That's better. Okay. Cameron, where you? Oh.
Nighttime, not real life.
Ah!
I already caught a fish.
I got him when he
Okay.
was running super fast.
Wait, did you get them with the gun?
Yeah.
Sorry, Cameron. I almost hit you. I was like an inch away from hitting you.
Oh, see, no fish.
Oh, good job. I was trying to get him. Oh crap, that can't be good. Okay, good job. It's so cool how they just disappear. Sorry, my bird's shooting you. I'll stay a little bit back.
They can't catch me anyway. 'Cause I'm supersonic fast speed.
I'm going really slow.
What you think, Cameron?
I am.
Come here, the best. He's the best in the world. He's the best at gaming. He's the best in the world. Cameron, I think I'm at your base. Am I? No, I'm not. Okay.
Yes, you are.
Why'd you tell?
That blue base over there, that's mine.
Alright, I'm going in. When you put it like that.
Hitting me.
I'm not hitting you.
You just killed me.
With what?
Your bird. Okay, I'm ready to
Dude,
destroy.
where was like the...
I died, so basically, yeah. I might. Oh my gosh, my thing isn't working as
I
much.
can't go live, but I can't go live. Where would the boots be?
Oh my gosh, I have a killer whale gun.
Yeah, I got that before. There's a pretty. Oh yeah, I got that one. I like that one. What's this?
I have a rainbow.
Oh, but this is the one with the bunny.
I have a unicorn throwing up a rainbow
Look what I got.
sword.
Dude, look what I got. I got an axe at the stop sign.
I have the ice dragon sword.
Cameron, look what I got. Drink. Let's go. Come back here, you. Cameron, look behind you. I'll revenge you.
Why
I'll
did
avenge you.
kill him? And you're gonna die from him. I just know it. What did I say?
I disintegrated. I feel sick.
You became nothingness. Dude, that guy just called me a dumb rat. Drop dead.
Wait, he did?
Yeah, he told me to drop
You're a
dead.
dragon.
I have a dragon.
No, you are a dragon.
And I have a dragon.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just got one. It was my first thing.
Nope, I accidentally sent. Yay, I got the Iron Man
I
things.
can drive on this thing.
What is he playing? What is he writing? Cameron. Oh my gosh. Cameron. Look what I got.
Oh, I got one of those.
You can actually glitch it so you can keep him flying. See, look. Cameron.
I have like 30
Look how high I am. I'm actually flying. No, I actually got a dragon too. I actually.
There we go, I have a pet dragon. He's like away.
What's this thing?
I can make him shoot fireballs.
I'm a bunny. I'm a hamster, not a bunny, stupid
I can
game.
make my dragon shoot fireballs.
Hey, look, I got a pet dragon too. I got an eagle. I mean a falcon. I'm sorry. Complete dragons. There you go. See, I got an eagle, and then falcon. Watch. Who says bunnies can't fly? Well, hamsters can fly, of course.
No, I can't.
Yeah, they can. They can grow wings and go. I'm gonna kill him someday. One way or another, I'm gonna kill that little boy over there. Anthony has never been in one of my videos.
Wait, he's never been in one of your videos?
No.
I'm pretty sure he has.
Actually.
Have you actually never been in?
No, I've been in a hide and seek video with you.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
We did a hide and seek video on your iPad.
He's lying.
Oh, we didn't actually do that. Like, we didn't upload that.
We've been in one of our videos.
No, I
Which
haven't.
one?
Remember?
Didn't we not do that one either?
Yeah, I did. Because remember, it kept on messing up. But then we finally got it right at the end. Like the whole game. Y'all want to play hide and seek?
Nah.
We could.
We're playing a game right now.
Well, after the game, of course.
We haven't.
Nah.
We've been playing this game the whole time. I think we should give it a break.
How long have you been on it?
Oh, I almost left. Dude, Logan, it's literally only me and you. What?
It is? Oh, yeah. Well, guys, it's 12 minutes, so. Well, guys, I guess that's long enough for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Lucky Block video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!